Hello friends, I am Manak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our channel. So friends, in this video we are going to discuss about core cutting of concrete. So friends, core cutting is basically a process of cutting cylinders of concrete out of the structure. For this, the core cutting machine is used. Firstly, the core cutting machine is to be anchored. This is done with the help of a pneumatic drill or jackhammer. That is, a hole is made through the jackhammer and then anchoring of the machine is done. And after that, marking is done at the portions where we need to cut a core. You can see here at this portion the anchoring is done and then marking is done at the portions where we need to cut the core. Now here, before marking of the position for the core cutting, we need to scan for any reinforcements because we don't want to cut any reinforcement which might come inside concrete. But in this case, the core cutting method is used for demolition purpose. That is, we want to demolish this slab so that we can construct a lift here at this site. So this core cutting is done so that they can avoid excess cutting of beams, and then with the help of this circular concrete cutting saw, they will cut this slab and they will also create some cores at the center so that they can tie with the help of rope and pulley system so that this slab doesn't fall off and for safety purpose. So now you can see that the core cutting machine has been started. This is a water pipe which is connected to this machine and he is applying the pressure. While applying the pressure, there are symbols or lights here which tells if the applied pressure is proper or not. The light changes its color to green, yellow, red, by which you can know whether the applied pressure is correct or not. You can see the core cutting is going on. It will take out cylinders of concrete. And now we can also see the core cutting for this portion has been completed and the circular concrete cutting saw has also been started so that he can cut this slab out. You can see that here in the small holes they are tying this pulley and chain. They are tying this chain to the pulley so that this slab doesn't fall off and the safety of these workers is maintained. So we'll cut this portion of the slab with the help of this circular concrete cutting saw. Now here also you can see a water pipe has been connected. Now you can see that this portion will be cut off and this chain is held by this worker. He is pulling the chain and he will hold it so that this slab doesn't fall off and doesn't cause any accident. He is checking whether it's tight or not. So friends, here we will construct a lift, but it was not earlier planned, so we had to cut this slab with the help of these demolition tools. We are using core cutting at the sides so that we can avoid excess cutting of slabs, and at the center also two cores are made of 2 inches, 2 to 3 inches. Two cores are made so that the ropes can be tied to the pulley. And again, all these cores at the sides which is going on now, these cores are of the diameter 6 inches and the cores at the center are of the diameter 2 to 3 inches. You can see the cutting has been going on here. You can see that the person is holding the pulley tight because the cutting is about to be completed. You can see these portions are all. You can see that these portions have been cut. Now it's almost over, but we need to do some finishing works. So for that we can use our jackhammer so that the slab is demolished this portion. Now they are bringing the jackhammer. It is also called the pneumatic drill or the jackhammer or the demolition hammer. There are different names. It comes of companies like Hilti. So laborers at site call it Hilti machine. But its name is demolition hammer or jackhammer. As you can see that the slab is tied with this chain so that it doesn't fall off and doesn't cause any accident. Below portions also the slab has already been demolished. So after they do this demolition work, the slab will fall below, but we can control the speed with the help of this pulley. Now as you can see that the slab has already fallen off, and now some person will go below to pick up the slab. So friends, that's all for today. How did you find this video? Please let us know in the comment section. And this work is done by Builtify, a product of OIPL, and they are doing building construction works currently in West Bengal, Odisha and Uttar Pradesh. So if you have any requirement, you can contact in the number below. So for now, this was our video on demolition of a slab using core cutting machine, and we had also given some important tips, and we had also seen the process of core cutting live at the site. So friends, how are you finding this video series on site visits and site works or civil construction works? Please let us know in the comment section, and if you like to watch more such videos, please let us know. We'll try to bring more such videos for you, and stay connected with us. Have a nice day. Bye bye.